Is SurveyScout a legit survey site to earn money online from home? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My YouTube channel is Growing Money. First, please subscribe to my channel and make a like, and don't forget to make a comment below. Let's get started. I will just show you around the site and also show you why it is not worth your time. We are here on the website and everything looks fine on SurveyScout. There is no crazy claims. There is nothing like alarming here. It is a legit site. There is nothing like a scammy about it. Before joining in, there is something that you might not be aware of. It is just collecting some server side. It is a survey aggregator. It is actually not a server side. So what do you actually get out of joining as a member? You get the chance to write reviews. It's just a list of a few survey sites, not a very long list, but there is actually no need to join SurveyScout. Advice: on the website, go to top rated online survey companies and you actually get a list. You don't need to log in to get this list. It is full list. There is not a lot of information about, and as you can see it is like 13 survey sites. As I can see here, many of the top companies, as far as I know, a legit site. Top companies are not really here. This is going to help you find the best survey sites by using user reviews. I want to say something first. Of all these reviews is a bit superficial, and when you look at the reviews, you don't get any real information about it. The reviews themselves are back from 2016. All the information you can see. So if we can try the next one, if we go back, this one here is from more or less the same day, 2016, and when you jump around, what you will see, there are very few reviews in my experience. They seem to be from the same person, and I can say it seems a little bit strange to many 5-star reviews for it to be a concert. For sure, not really reviews. There are a lot of 5 stars reviews here. When you look at how we usually don't really too much, there are so few of them, and they are also so all superficial in my opinion. The information in general on SurveyScout from these reviews of SurveyScout, as you can understand, there is way too little information. I am not really excited about this survey site. I think it is just a waste of time. Very short surveys list. The information in general is superficial, and the reviews are old. There is way more companies than what it lists. There are surveys sites you can check. You can check my channel. Please stay safe and goodbye.